Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy a sheet in Excel. So let's get into the video. At first, open an Excel sheet. So let's say if you want the copy of this sheet 1. So what you have to do is just simply click the right button, and here you can see there is an option of move or copy. Click on it, and here are some options that which sheet you want to copy. So select the sheet you want to copy and click on create a copy. Click on OK, and here you can see there are two options, which are sheet 1 and sheet 1 2. It's the copied version of our sheet. So if you delete one of them, let's say I have deleted it, so the data will not be deleted, it will remain in your copied sheet. So yeah, this is how you can copy a sheet in Excel. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Bye bye.